morning. So I decided to do another vlog. Today is Monday the 3rd. Happy birthday, mommy. Love you guys. Love Mama, love you. My budget foolishness, but yeah, but I tried one different background. That's how I see. But ain't no like this way. Anyways, I'm about to go on the road. Y'all know my exams are finished and all of that, so this is going to be a vlog outside of school. Busy as ever. But anyways, it's a great dinner for those who don't know and want to know. Thanks for keeping it real for all who come back around. My love on you. Glad for back on the channel. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like, comment, share, and subscribe again for those who new. So I almost dropped. Anyways, so I am ready to go on the road. So I did this from yesterday, so I'm actually just jelly to over back. Set my cash on my feet in a way one and I see one my little. So this is my little fit here, guys. There. And I'm currently wearing a polo top because if you know me, I'm very simple. I'm a simple child. Yeah. Sun kind of blind me. I try button right just because this just not work for me. Well, you can't see something about, you know. Okay. But yeah, I'm up with my cousin right now. She take my gun left for me up on her because I'm not go to the same place. Hi. So this is me signing out. I go on the road, and when I go, I can get for flame because my phone bad quality. So I'm not sure if I can catch you back where I'm at. I'm gonna try it still. I'm gonna try. I'm not sure what's catching the back when I am at the place. I'm going to use our phone because still, so when I get to see a little bit of that and so forth. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Peace. So, me I talk to she and I look down on her foot and see this. Wait, I don't want to see too much of my background, you know. Yeah, so might as well she buy stocking wear go to school than for wear socks. If I saw her socks I go with look. How do Hi guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. I am about to go on the road, so I'm gonna take a note with me. I'm talking a little bit fast because I'm extremely late, but I'm gonna catch the rest of the vlog in one other aspect of it. So until then, make sure I'm keeping it real.
I'm going to work.
So we're walking, guys. My channel making this in my area too much, but
the sun was on that piece of something.
oh, tell them how your exam go.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Lady.
So the way she confident, I asked her if she want to reveal her results when her results time with me. So maybe she do it, not sure.
I've had my 4 days, no sun.
Sun up, man. I don't know if not here because place breezy. But we're about to take our transport. But with taxi driver come for it. Because my car is at mechanics. Future mechanics.
Don't put me in there, boo.
The future mechanics.
Yeah, right.
Soon we'll reach. She go on a school trip.
I'm going to work.
So she'll go work, guys.
Set yourself good. Set yourself good. Yeah, black road for man.
Yes guys, so just done with one. What you call it when you go on the road? Hurdle. That done. Our obstacle. We're currently in the ATM, about to go.
They should just let him correctly do a lot more things. You should interpret and then responsibility for.
I'll be back.
So.
Hey, reach out so fast. Yeah. This girl climb wall. Tell them why you climb the wall.
You all have a mask. Look how you scream and give you a sleep.
Them all everybody 10 different
Why you
times.
do it?
You know, I'm just I'm feeling breeze come and push me in me. Yeah, man. Now climb it again.
Hello everybody. So I just want to fill you guys in about what happened later today. After I got off the road, I came home, bought some stuff to make dinner, and I washed the dishes because I didn't get to do it this morning. So I did wash the dishes. I washed my hair, just finished putting my treatment and so forth, like moisturizer and all of that. And I am now about to go eat. Then have take a shower. But I am extremely hot right now. We're experiencing a power outage as we speak. Keep on go on and off, on and off, on and off. And we don't want too much of the AC nor the TV or anything like that. So if we plug out everything, currently we're just using a fan. I personally don't have a fan in my room, so I am going to burn up because the AC cannot turn on, so I don't know what's going to take place. But otherwise from that, I'm just signing out for today. See you guys. I don't know when I get both in the week. I use too much people on the Okay, you want to sign them out? You want to sign them out? Huh? But yes, that's it for today. If anything is interesting, I'm today. Nothing but the day practically done. We use so much paper and I've burned me. You see my hand tremble? It's trembling because paper burn right just about. It's not the first, so this my video just live with it until they cool off. Otherwise from that, peace. Hey guys, welcome back to another day in the vlog. So it is August 9th, and today I have to be at my teacher's christening, which is also my second mommy. I am extremely late, but I have to hurry up, so I'm gonna catch me by the day. I'm get ready. I just kind of shower. I'm kind of hot, so I'm still sweat. I'm just catch me here now. I did that try to do it back, but because my hair just watch, it kind of shrinks, so it never did that work out. So just catch up in one. I have my things I'm ready and all of that, so I'll catch you when I reach and all of that. Stay tuned.
This is my teacher. Say hi to keep it real. Oh, well, keep it real with Dainelle. Keep it real with Dainelle.
To take off their mask, and they'll have to be someone so
I just got back from the mechanics, guys, and my car is finally here. I cannot get to set it up. I don't really have a stand doing it.
So who did I did? Them do.
up here. So.
Them know say. Deep down they know say it's a front thing.
Come like exactly. And like
Everyone can understand.
say I got something up the soul for Ireland or say. They're right out in a plain view.
Embrace the culture. Not everyone. No, but I just said that I'm very frustrated. Everybody can understand where you're supposed to. You don't want them to come and go in. You want them to stay.
Come and go
Where
here.
you come from? Stupid. What you know, say? Well, you can't understand. What about you see? You put one whole sentence in a one word a while ago. Who are going to understand that now, Crystal? Oh, the edge of that.
What are you video?
What?
Is this a prank?
What?
Is this a prank?
It was
Are
a
you
prank.
pranking me right now? Are you pranking me right now? Is this a joke? Hi guys, we're gonna today guys.
Oh my god! We're going to prank him and he's on his way. We're putting the camera. At normal.
Guys. Okay guys. Sorry guys.
It's a prank! Imagine the camera and you saw I was like...
We didn't see the camera guys. It was all a prank. All along.
Everybody say, keep it real, Dainelle.
Keep it real with Dainelle.
Everything you know is in your mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So yesterday I forgot to sign out, say goodbye to the vlog. So I'm here today with this girl.
Hi guys.
Her first video is on the way. Yeah, she's missing a tooth. Anyways, so guys, yeah, them don't need to see that. Anyways, so I'm just signing off for today's vlog. This week's vlog. I'm signing off for this week's vlog. She's telling me not to talk too fast because you know guys I'm prone to these things. My hair's a bit dirty.
We are so excited.
I used so much gel in my hair yesterday.
Guys,
it's dirty.
we're so excited to show you all of these.
Okay, Spider Woman. Anyways, guys, bye for now. Thanks for keeping it real. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to smash that
Bye.
peace. Come sign them off for me.
Peace out.